Another amazing find that Dollar Tree has is the mini size. So for all the DIYers out there, you guys, listen, I did the DIY thing. I think I did it like 3 times. Honey, okay, all right. I said, you know what? In the stores, I absolutely love doing this. I think you could do both, but they have the mini size glue guns, the crystal clear. These are really, really cool. And these are $3, premium mini size glue gun, silicone, insulated nozzle for safety. Really, really nice. Honey, you ain't gonna believe this. Dollar Tree got their Christmas items out already. Yes, already. Check this out. So first up, they have these ornaments over here, and I'm guessing that these are $1.50 because you know they have the red little sticker. They also have these ornaments over here, the owls. They have the LED figure candles. Ciao. More ornaments, decorative bells. I'm like, oh my goodness, they got this stuff out already. 16 pieces. They also have the treat bags over here. These are 15 pieces. They also have the 8-piece bags, and I'm $1.50. They have the Peace on Earth cards. 12 cards you get for $1.50 as well. And then of course they also have some more loot bags, 25 pieces for $1.50. Now they have the glitter vase fillers, 110 pieces for $1.50. They also have the memo bookwood pen, $1.50, 50 sheets, LED light set, $1.50, 13-piece felt ornament kit, $1.50. Now, Dollar Tree also have the 4-foot candy canes. I remember last year, these sold out, I mean, so quick. Every time it felt like they brought them in, honey, they would be sold out. Now, I'm guessing that these are $7 because I know last year these was, I believe, $5. So I'm guessing that these are $7. Now, Dollar Tree also have their foam noodles, Christmas themed. These are $1.50. I absolutely love these colors, the green, the red, and the white. You guys, if you don't know, the green is definitely my favorite color. Absolutely love these. If you guys are looking for some oven mitts or some pot holders or some placemats, these placemats, they definitely put me in the mind of Pottery Barn. These are $1.50. They also have the thankful placemats over here, which are really, really cool. I like these. And also the plates that go right along with them. Now, they did have some plates that said on there, thankful, but I don't see those here, honey. Pumpkin patch, apple orchid, hay rides, really, really cool. I like that. $1.50. Now, at this Dollar Tree location, one of the things that I did notice, like when it comes to the oven mitts, the pot holders, the plates, and the bowls, they always have a variety of the items, okay? So they're not only going to give you probably like 2 different options when it comes to the oven mitt designs. They give you probably like about 3 or 4, which is really, really cool. I absolutely love these plates down here. These are really nice. Now, Dollar Tree also have these thick ice buckets. Oh, honey. They have this red tag on, this red sticker. Is these $5? Ciao. Now, some cool items is these candles. Now, let me be the first to say, these are Dollar Tree fall collection. And when I tell you, the design, the packaging, marketing team, you did your thing like a chicken wing. But when it comes to the scent, they all smell the same, in my opinion. Now, maybe they may smell different in yours, but honey, I done smelled these, and they all smell the same, like a spice or something, like a apple spice or something like that. But they pretty much all smell the same, and these are $5. Another cool item is these candles over here, the pumpkin lantern candles. These are $5 as well. Really, really good. Now, candles that smells absolutely amazing. It would be the Honey Crisp cider candles. These smell more like it. And even these, right? The cashmere vanilla. They smell the same, you know, in my opinion. You know, they smell the same. And these are $5. Another hot item at Dollar Tree is the Windex Fast Shine Foam. Now, let me tell you something, ladies and gents. This is $3. Now, when I seen this, I automatically thought that this was $5, right? Because I said Windex, you know, name brand, okay. But Dollar Tree has this cleaner, this vinegar cleaner that is amazing. And it's $1.50. Let me see if they have it here. Now, this item right here is so good. Now, the thing I love about this is you can clean your windows, you can clean your counter, your bathroom, whatever. Honey, don't try to clean no meat with this, all right? This is clean and vinegar only. This is so, so good. It's streak-free. If you have stainless steel appliances, honey, really, really amazing for $1.50. And look how much you get. This is awesome, like the name. Okay, so this is definitely new. Well, the first time I seen this at Dollar Tree, the Reese's mini cookie mix, $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree has a few items. So, organic chai latte. Listen, for $1.25 by Yogi Chow. If you know, you know. 90 calories. They also had the light one, but it appears that, you know, the people just brought all of that up. Okay. Now, they also have the masala instant chai tea latte. Just add water, hot water, 4 servings, and it's a small batch for $1.25. So, to all my coffee lovers, okay, latte drinkers, this would be for you. And also remember that Dollar Tree is now carrying Saratoga. Honey, you should have known the prices was going to increase once you seen the Saratoga water, okay? At Whole Foods, these go for like, what, $2 and something? I use the buy these, oh my goodness, but this is the sparkling one, and I just like the regular Saratoga spring water. Really, really good. Honey, if you have never tried the spring water, I want you to try it, okay? It's going to be different than the water that you ever tasted before. Now, but this is only the sparkling one, and it's not the glass bottle that it normally would come in. This is like the plastic bottle, but for $1.25, I mean, that is definitely a steal. Now, do you guys eat these? Now, I know, I think it was Miss Anderson who said that she liked the pretzel ones. I wasn't really feeling it. You know, the pop, the smoked Gouda. Now, I had got 2 different ones. It was the smoked Gouda and it was another one. But I can't think of it. Let me know in the comment section, do you guys like these, the Pop Daddy? This one is the popcorn, hot sauce popcorn, made with ruby red kernels and pure avocado oil. Ooh, I liked that. $1.25. Now, this definitely look new. The Pure Silk Spa Therapy Volcano Stone Facial Roller. You know, it makes me think that, you know, maybe the packaging just changed. You get what I'm saying? Maybe just the packaging. Now, this is $1.25. If you know, you know, the LED semi-curled gel nail strips, child, these are good. But the only thing I don't see when it comes to these now is that little mini LED light that they was selling, Dollar Tree was carrying once upon a time ago. Now, new items that Dollar Tree has is these cleansing 25-pack cotton candy facial cleansing wipes. They also have the Hydrate and Watermelon Facial Cleansing Wipes, 25 for all skin types, removes dirt, oil, makeup without wrenching. And then they also have the green tea as well. So Dollar Tree had brought these back. I remember me and my children had got these last year. These was pretty good, the hand sanitizer sprays. And I like these because, you know, little pens. You get what I'm saying? You could throw this in your purse, you know, have it in your little pocket or whatever for $1.25. Not bad. Now, when it comes to dupes, okay, let's talk about the dupes. The Hydro Plus Hydrate and Cleansing Gel with hyaluronic acid. This is compared to Neutrogena. They also have the Freeman Exfoliate, and now this is not a dupe, honey. This is the real deal, like Holyfield. Now this is the Clay Mask Scrub, $1.25 as well. They also have the Freeman Cleansing Balm Makeup Remover for $1.25. And honey, my loves, this is like the only one that they have here. Now another item that was hot was this Onyx Bath House Bath Gift Set that came with 5 pieces. They have the champagne glass. They also have the bubble bath powder, the makeup remover, the little scrubby thing, and this is $1.25. Makes a great gift. Now, if you need to get your son some boxes, all right? Now, Dollar Tree has these boxes. Honey, this is the part that's, all right, $1.25 here, but $1.50 here, okay? That's why some places they have like the little red sticker covered, and they have a few different selections. They have the ones with the football. Then they also have the plain Janes. They also have this one like with the gaming controller, game day. These are nice. I mean, for $1.50, honey, I mean, this to me is a steal deal like Holyfield. They also have these Bubble Yum socks. Now, you get 2 pairs for $1.50. The Reese's, 2 pairs. I like the Reese's better, you know, in my opinion. You know, they movie groovy. Now, they also have the Hershey's. We seen these in the Twizzlers. You get 2. Ooh, the Twizzlers. I like these. The Twizzlers are nice. And they not as thin, you know, like some of the socks that Dollar Tree be carrying. Sometimes they be kind of thin. Now, these are $1.50 as well. Now, another item that Dollar Tree has from Be Pure is the Hydrate and Night Lip Mask. I had seen these a few months ago, but it seems like Dollar Tree brought them back with hyaluronic acid for $1.25. If you guys are looking for a hair growth serum, oh my goodness. When I tell you the Softy Growth Oil Thickening Formula, this is so good. It has things in there like nettle, also horsetail. Really, really good. For $1.25, honey, this is a steal. And if you having a spa day, my loves, let me tell you something. Dollar Tree has all your spa equipment. They have the Eco Tools name brand Clean Beauty, Clean Planet Mini Rose Quartz Roller, $1.25. They also have the Eco Tools Clean Beauty, Clean Planet, the infused facial sponges. This is $1.25. All right, family, keep rocking out, believing in yourself. Let me know in the comment section what was your favorite item. Okay, a lot of oldies but goodies that Dollar Tree had, the Hydrate and Night Lip Serum. That one, it was pretty good for $1.25. Really, really amazing. And then for them having a Christmas items out already, chill. I mean, it wasn't really a surprise because considering that another store manager said that they was going to start putting them out next week. So, with that being said, I catch you guys on the next one. Peace.